Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. Working on the 2000 Honda Accord, and right now this is how the cluster looks like. We have all white LEDs inside, so mainly because I have all those LEDs from Formula J87, we want to focus today on replacing on those needles. 1, 2, should be 3 in there, 4. It should be around 4 T10 LEDs, the other ones are small. Let's try those colors and let's see how the dash looks. Right now this is my view, that's how they look right now. Let's see the difference with other colors. Okay, right here on my cluster, like I said, there is one in here, another one in here, that one, and that one. The rest of them, they're small. The good thing about these LEDs from Formula J87, that you can put them either or, one way or the other, they're gonna work. So we don't have to be worried about remove them. If it doesn't work, just flip the light and put it back on. We don't have to worry about that. We're just gonna put them on. Okay guys, I was wrong. That one is not a T10, it's smaller. So the only T10s is gonna be that one, and that one. We already put blue, purple, and green, I believe. The only thing with this type of LED, they're too thick on the bottom, so it's not gonna fit. But if you put this type of LED, it's thin on the bottom, this one's fit no problem. So the good thing we have two type of LEDs. This is the way to go. Let's see how they look. Wow, yeah, that's good. On that side we put green. I believe in the middle we put purple and red on that side. So I think it looks really good. I really like it. Different colors. So I'm not disappointed. Yeah, this is the way to go. We can swap and we can do whatever, but for now we're just gonna leave it like that. I think that looks good. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I think it looks awesome. Okay guys, moving on to the front of the Accord. H1, because I have a conversion H1 projector on my Honda Accord, didn't fit. It's too bulky on top. But for the high beam, I have a regular halogen bulb, white LED, and then we're gonna check some other LEDs on the high beam, fog light, and we're gonna put finally the turn signal ones. That's a halogen bulb on the passenger side, and that's for my J87 on the driver's side. And that's gonna be the other side with the white LEDs on the high beam. Now let's try the blue ones. And those are the blue 9005. Okay guys, now we have blue on that side. It's gonna match the high beam. And we have amber on this side. This is not yellow, it's amber. What do you think? And it's bright. Both of them are bright. Okay guys, and for turn signals, my Accord requires 1157. The other day someone contacted me saying that they buy some 1157 turn signals for their Accord, but actually they didn't tell me what year Accord. They got a 2006, I believe. So obviously 2006 requires 7443. Make sure that you get the right one. On my 2000 Accord, and the 6th generation Accord requires 1157, which is that one. And this is what I have before, 1157 from Cinetic. Not bad brand. I'm not gonna say that it's bad, it's good. I always use those, but this time we're getting something as like the bigger brands, like Last Fit. This is the one from a Formula J87, and that's Cinetic, and that's Formula J87. Like I said, it's gonna be much brighter when it's not a switchback. Turn signal only, Cinetic, Formula J87. Well guys, at the end we decide to remove the covers. This is how it looks. Purple, green, and red. It looks a lot better, I think. So now that it's dark, let's see the end result with all the LEDs. That's the look of the Accord with all the blue lights, high beams, fog lights, and on that side we still have the turn signal, and on that side Cinetic. So at the end, yes, it's gonna be brighter on that side. Illumination is still good even though there is blue light, but it looks good. So I think the car is complete now. On the previous episode we did the rear turn signals and third brake light, and now we did all the front interior, so this car is complete. But if you want to have amber or yellow fog lights, go to Formula J87. Same thing for the 9005, those H11s, turn signals, everything is in there. Yeah, it's a lot brighter now. And there you have it. Everything is complete. Yeah, you can see the fog lights. They look really good. They're bright. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that. I hope you like this episode. Link is gonna be in the description for all the LEDs. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.